Hello again, this is Joe Garza with Montero Bushcraft, and today I'm going to be showing you my Inuit thimble, which is just a piece of leather here. Let's make sure that I'm getting this into the shot. There we go. It's just a little piece of leather here with a cut smiley face here, and that is for you to put your thumb in there to push the needle. And the way you do it is like this. There you go. So I could be making some primitive needles out of bone, and you need one of these to push the needles through the material that you're sewing. This one's made from a rib. It just needs to have the eyelet, the little hole here for the thread. I'll be doing that later. So this is the needle, and this is another little owl that I made, also from a rib. So that's the thimble for you right there. This piece of leather that anyone can make. Just got a smiling face here for your thumb. Your thumb goes in from the bottom like that, so you can push the needle into the material. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be showing you also another one of my painting. Another one of my painting escapades here. I just started this picture. This is going to be a painting of my Glock 19. Well, not my Glock 19. I don't own one. I'm doing this from a black and white picture. And working from a black and white picture, you have to figure out what the colors are. So later on, when I'm done, I'll show you this again. I'll be adding some more things to it. I'm not exactly sure what, but I need something there to kind of bring out the painting. So thank you very much for watching. This is Joe Garza with Montero Bushcraft, and we'll see you later.